online selling used items. Hi guys, how you doing? I hope you're doing good today. It's your boy 2 to the BLE double S, 2 blessed. That's what they call me. And thank you for taking out your time for checking out this video. I really appreciate it, and I'm not taking it for granted at all. So sorry for the noise that is coming around. The fan is blowing, noise is coming from the stream. I'm so sorry about that, and I really apologize for that. And so guys, and if you're new to this channel, if you've not subscribed, pause this video right now, click the red button down below right now to click the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel right now, and click the like button to like this video. Let's get this video to 10,000 likes right now. Share this video with your friend on Facebook, Twitter, and video, all social media platforms, so your friends can learn about this trick that I'm going to be showing you in this video right now. And also comment down below this video right now and let me know what question you want to ask me. Ask me any question down below. Let me know what video you want me to do next, so I can shoot a video for you right there right now. So guys, let's get down to business. Let me show you how you can get your product right now and list it online right now, and you can start selling. But before we do that, let me quickly show you some of these courses that I have right now that I want to. If you stick to the end of this video right now, I'm going to show you how you can get this course from me right now. Guys, this is a course from Gary V. This is a course from Franklin Eshin. This is a course about affiliate marketing. This is a course about Shopify, drop shipping. This is style of pairs. These are in this folder you're seeing here right now. There are about 3 or 4 style of pairs, different courses here right now. And this is Grant Cardone course also. This is Woman. This is about YouTube. This is Sam Oven. This is about digital marketing and affiliate and agency, running an agency, doing Facebook ad and doing Google ad for business owner and charging them from $1,000, $5,000 to $10,000 in this course right now. This is a YouTube, how to rank your YouTube video high, and this is also a bunch of Udemy courses, guys. So if you stay to the end of this video right now, I'm going to show you how you can get any of this course from me right now, not from any of these guys, because if you're going to get it from these guys, it's going to cost you from $100 to about $1,000 plus to get any of this course from these guys. That's how much they are charging for this course. But if you get it from me, I'll show you how I can give you this course at the end of this video as a bonus for coming to my channel. So guys, let's go down into today's business. So guys, how do you sell your goods? How do you sell things that you already have, whatever it is that you already have? I have on my table right now, I have books on my table right now. You can see I have books that I'm beating on themselves right now. You can hear the books that I'm beating on themselves. I have a phone, I have 2 phones on my table right now. I have an hard drive on my, I really wish I can show you this thing that I'm talking about right now. I have an hard drive on my table right now. I have a mouse, a laptop mouse on my table right now. I have quite a number of things. I have a laptop that I'm doing this on my table right now. Quite a number of things on these things right now. And if I want to sell any of these things right now, just like you that you're watching this video right now, you said you want to make money right now today, just get any of these used things that you have in your wardrobe, things that you have in your house that you're looking at right now that maybe you've not worn in a little while, in a long time. Just get all those things right now and come to eBay right now. See, here is eBay right now, and I've already searched for used items. Look at eBay right now. Look at guys that are selling things, and are selling used stuff on eBay right now. Whatever it is, they have it on eBay that they are selling it right now. Look at this, is a vintage sewing lot needle. This is a $25. This is an $8 bid is about $11. There's quite a number of things right now. You see, things are selling for $50, things that are cheap. Bunk women clothes, lot bundle box, we sell up. This is a 40, this is about $50. This is a vintage carbon moss. This is about $100. This is a 33 baby Barbie. This is like a toy, a children's toy for $21. This is a bunch of pretty little things, ladies mixed clothes bundle. These are like a ladies clothes. This is a net boys choco. This is like a short for guys. All those things, you can see thousands of them on this place that people are selling already right now. And you might have some things in your wardrobe right now that might just be lying there right now, and you don't know, and you might be saying, hi guys, how can I make money? You have all these things. Come to eBay right now, list these things on eBay right now, and you can start selling them. The same thing with Amazon right now. Amazon too is the same thing. Come to Amazon also. This is Amazon right now. I'm going to put a link below this website right now so I can check out all the sites if you don't know all these sites already. But I don't know anybody that doesn't know Amazon. Even if you don't know it, you definitely know Amazon. So these are people that are listing. You have a phone that you're not using again. Come to Amazon, come to eBay, list them. Look at people selling boots. Look at people selling also camera, bras, phones, game. People are selling their shoes, sneakers, their laptop, their their long sleeve, their wristwatches, their tab, their jeans. People are selling their vacuum. People are selling their Nike slippers. People are selling their Game Boy. People are selling their chalk. People are selling their bras. People are selling. Look at things that people are selling on here, guys. Guys are selling things and they are making money from this thing. I even saw a video recently about Gary Vee. This same Gary Vee that I have his course here right now is doing a challenge, and is going around different community, and is buying little toys from this Gary Vee that you're seeing his course here right now. He's buying this course. Gary Vee is buying this course. He's buying all these little cars, little toys from garage sales. He's going to community from one community to the other, and he's buying these these little cars from this community, from these garage sales, and he's taking them to Amazon. Right there, when you buy them, he's going to check them what the price they are going for on Amazon, and right there he's going to see how he's going to sell this thing on Amazon, and he's going to be making like 4 times, 5 times of what he bought those things on the garage sale. So guys, it's all about you knowing what you have. I don't know where you are from right now, what your location is right now. If you're in America, I think this is better in America right now. I'm not in America, I'm in Africa, Nigeria right now. So that might not be a very cool thing for us to do, what I just explained right now. But if you're in US right now, go to all these garage sales where they are selling things for a very cheap price. Gary Vee showed one of the video where he bought like a bunch of cars. He bought like a bucket of cars for about $21, and each one of those, when you look at Amazon how those cars are selling, you see how those cars, one of the cars is selling for about 30 or 30 something dollars one, and he bought a bunch of them. So guys, so these are the things that you can start from today and start making money from these things. You come to go to Gary, say go and buy things for less than $10, $20 or even $50. Buy as many as you can and come to Amazon to come and list those things and sell them on a very high price on this site. So guys, that's that for you. You can start making money from today when you get all those things. Go everywhere. Look around your corner, even if you don't have money to invest in that right now. Look around your corner, look at your wardrobe. What are the things that you have that you've not worn, that you've not used in a while? Get all those things. If your friend has something that they can give away from you, help them list it online and get it from your friend. Help them list it online. Ask them how much they can sell it. Make the money and share the money. Give them their own percentage of the money, and you take the percentage of the money. And with this, you can start making money online right away, guys. So don't wait, don't delay. Right now, guys, just start doing something. This site are not charging anything to be there. eBay is not charging you anything to list your thing there. Amazon is not charging you anything to list your product here. You just come to this site and just list your product there right now, and you're going to start making money online right now. So guys, that is it. So let me show you the bonus that I said I'm going to show you. So guys, this is the course that I said I'm going to show you right now. Like I said, some of these courses are selling as high as $1,000 plus right now. But if you said, just talk to me right now and tell me the course that you want here right now, and for just $10, my email is going to be below this video right now. For just $10, I'm going to give you any of those courses that you want right now. We have course on Shopify drop shipping, and this one is affiliate marketing. This one is forex trading. This one is agency, running Facebook ad and affiliate Google ad. So all these things are there, guys, man. So don't delay, get into it right now and I'm gonna see you when I see you. So subscribe if you've not subscribed, like this video, comment down this video below, and also reach out, like, follow me on Facebook, and let's do stuff together. Let's get down to business.